garlic naan is ready, dal makhani is ready, pulao is ready. Tandoori chicken is here. Look at the tandoori chicken. I need to cut it and serve it in the platter.
It's for me?
Yeah, queen. And naan. It's hot naan. Few years ago, my son started wearing my clothes. He wouldn't walk straight. He wouldn't talk straight. Time to return the favor. So, look at the chicken. I have made the gashes, even on the joints. Now, we're going to make the marinade. Marinade is very simple. Take Kashmiri chilli powder. This will give red color. This is regular chilli powder. Add ginger garlic paste. Add salt. Some turmeric. Garam Masala. Coriander powder. Cumin powder. And a little bit of Kasoori Methi leaf. In this, squeeze lime and add yogurt. Now, make a paste of all this. Take this marinade and apply to the chicken. The neck part, every part of the chicken, just apply. And we're going to let it rest for at least 6-7 hours in the refrigerator or overnight. That will make your chicken nice and tender and also very tasty. Tomorrow, we're going to make this tandoori chicken. Preheat the oven to the maximum temperature that is available in the oven. I have marinated the chicken yesterday with all the masalas. If you want, you can add a little bit of chaat masala into it now and mix it. I added a little bit of oil and coated the masalas well. Take a pan and have a kind of a grill at the bottom so that the heat comes from the bottom also. Take your tandoori chicken and just arrange it on top like this. Put the chicken in the oven when it is nice and hot, and you're going to cook this for at least 45 minutes. In between, we're going to apply a little bit of oil or butter on top so that the chicken doesn't dry out fully. A dal that is fitting for a Queen Victoria, dal Maharani or dal makhani, is what we're going to do today, and we're also going to make garlic naan. In warm water, add yeast, and also in this add sugar. Okay, and let it sit for a few minutes so the entire yeast is activated. In the all-purpose flour, add salt, mix it, make a well, and add the yeast water. Make it into a soft, sticky dough. And for getting a perfect naan, you have to knead the dough well. For dal Queen Victoria, we are having this black dal, black urad dal. Soak it for like 2-3 hours and add water and let it cook till the dal is nice and soft. Even you can cook it in the pressure cooker. Dal is nice and soft. Means if I just press it like this, the whole dal will mash out. The chicken is getting ding chick. Let's make the dal makhani. For this, we're going to add a lot of butter. So first add a little bit of oil, whole garam masala, okay, cloves, cinnamon, very little, not too much. In this, add a little bit of cumin and add finely chopped onion. Add salt, fry the onion till they are golden in color. In this, add ginger garlic paste, chilli powder, a little bit of garam masala powder, a little bit of coriander powder, some cumin powder. But for a good dal makhani, we add tomato puree. This is freshly homemade tomato puree. This tomato puree need to cook well. In this, add the fully cooked dal. And in this, add butter. Okay, lot of butter. This is the kind of dal makhani I love. Cook this dal on a slow flame for 30 minutes. In the meantime, our tandoori chicken also will get ready, and then we will make our garlic naan. And take the Kasoori Methi, crush it in the hand and put it on top of. This along with the butter will give that unique flavor in the dal makhani. Wow. Slowly dal will start thickening up and you will see those bubbles, bursting out. Take some of the dal and add it to the cream. Nice thick cream, and add the cream also into this. Usually we add a lot of cream, but for home cooking, this much should be enough. Get the tandoori chicken out. Oil and butter, I mixed it and baste it. So what this will do, it will moisturize the chicken so that it doesn't dry out. Every 15 minutes, pull it out once, baste it and put it back in the oven. In the melted butter or ghee, add some jeera for the Jeera Pulao. When it sizzles, add green peas, add salt, add finely chopped coriander, and when the green peas, everything splutters, add beautifully cooked basmati rice and just toss the rice, and you have this wonderful Jeera Pulao. And let's make garlic naan. For that, the tawa has to be nice and hot. For making garlic naan, take fresh garlic and stuff it in. My God, this is way too much garlic, but I love it like that. Then make the edges thin. Once again, just take it, just spread it in your hands. But on the side that needs to stick to the tawa, apply a little bit of water like this, stretch it, and now on the tawa, just spread it. So this will immediately stick to the tawa. Then just and turn it this side and let it cook well. Okay? This is a simple little bit effort. You have to do it for your queen. This is ready. All you need to do is just apply a little bit of butter on top. And for garlic naan, I love to add a little bit of chaat masala also. I say look at it. I say look at it. Let's serve the queen. Very special dalmakhni. Hot naan. And we have the pulao also ready. I say, where is the tandoori chicken? Tandoori chicken is here. Look at the...
It's for me?
Yeah, queen. Wow. And naan. It's hot naan. For me also. See, the chicken is perfectly cooked. I just, squeeze in a little bit of lime juice if you want. And onion for salad along with this. And the naan, the garlic naan is so delicate and by itself is very tasty. The true maza is in taking a chicken leg piece. Wow, a piece of chicken off the bone. In this, add piece of onion and lime juice. Wow, tandoori chicken is one of the delicious way to eat along with the garlic naan. The ding chick. Perfectly cooked and absolutely fantastic. Along with the Jeera Pulao, the Dalmakhni. Just too good. Absolutely boomba. Eat best of the best food for your family and enjoy. Queen is hungry. She wants some snack and sweet. Let's serve her.